Today, we turn our gaze to the enchanting waters of the Indo-Pacific, where a truly remarkable creature commands attention, the Titan Triggerfish, a fierce and territorial titan of the coral reefs. The Titan Triggerfish is endowed with a unique mechanism, a trigger, located on its dorsal fin. This intricate mechanism, composed of interlocking spines, allows the triggerfish to secure itself firmly in place, wedging into crevices within the reef or coral. This extraordinary adaptation is aptly named the trigger mechanism. With over 40 species of triggerfish scattered across coral reefs, lagoons, and open oceans, each boasts distinctive features, contributing to the mesmerizing diversity of our underwater world. From the small yet vivid blue triggerfish to the flamboyant clown triggerfish, these creatures paint the seascape with a rich palette of colors. As we delve into this vibrant tapestry, we encounter the captivating yellow triggerfish, a large species known for its radiant yellow coloration adorned with striking black stripes. These yellow-hued marvels grace the coral reefs, adding a burst of sunshine to their surroundings. Next on our underwater canvas is the Picasso or Lagoon Triggerfish. Distinguished by its bright blue coloration with captivating patterns, this triggerfish is a true artist of the oceans. It glides through the coral gardens, leaving traces of its vivid palette in its wake. And let us not forget the Clown Triggerfish, an enchanting creature with unmistakable coloration adorned by distinctive white spots. Often seen in pairs, these playful performers add a touch of whimsy to the underwater spectacle. And now, our spotlight falls upon the Titan Triggerfish, the largest and most captivating of its kind. With a potential length of up to 75 centimeters, this giant is a beacon of color in the Indo-Pacific seas. The Titan Triggerfish, adorned with blue and yellow scales and distinctive black stripes, possesses a head crowned with a prominent moustache of white scales under its nose. Found in lagoons and reefs, this solitary fish exudes an air of territorial dominance. Territorial by nature, the Titan Triggerfish stands sentinel against intruders. During its breeding season, this already formidable guardian becomes particularly fierce. Flaring its fins and swimming with aggressive intent, it may even charge and bite to protect its sacred space. As an omnivore, the Titan Triggerfish contributes to the delicate balance of the reef ecosystem. Using its robust jaws, it crushes corals, sponges, sea urchins, crustaceans, and mollusks, showcasing the adaptability that defines its role as a vital marine predator. For those fortunate enough to encounter the Titan Triggerfish while diving, a respectful distance is paramount. Its territorial instincts run deep, and any intrusion may be met with a display of strength and determination. Observing this magnificent creature from afar allows for a true appreciation of its beauty and significance. In the intricate tapestry of the Indo-Pacific reef ecosystem, the Titan Triggerfish plays a unique and vital role. By understanding and respecting its behavior, we can contribute to the preservation of this fascinating species and ensure its legacy for generations to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.